Never on Sunday. Now finally, oh, still halfway through. Never on Sunday. Good evening once again to all racing aficionados. Never on Sunday. Now finally inside, waiting for the rider. Anytime now, race number 10. Penultimate race. All set now, ready to race. Race number 10 here, Santa Ana Park. Set to go now, race number 10, away they go! Jonas Recipe Newsmaker on the outside, Dynamic Love rushing up start sequence, Musashi, Wondrous Win down on the inside, is entry number 4, Elusive Win. Deputy Jazz is racing on the outside. Three runners fighting for the lead, Jonas Recipe, and by the rails, Dynamic Love Newsmaker. Dart Sequence is racing for, then here comes Deputy Jazz, and rounding the far turn, Jonas Recipe, Dynamic Love, Dart Sequence on the outside, Newsmaker, Deputy Jazz joining them, and Musashi, Elusive Win as they race the final corner. It's now Dart Sequence, Jonas Recipe, Dynamic Love, Deputy Jazz on the outside. Dart Sequence by the rallies, Dynamic Love, Newsmaker, Deputy Jazz, but still Dart Sequence by half a length, and nearing the finish line. The horse of Mr. Puts Puyat, Dart Sequence, winning this race. Second, Newsmaker, Dynamic Love, Deputy Jazz, Jaden Love Lolo, close.